Let's guys, I'll teach you how to change Facebook password easy way. You can go to the Facebook. This is the light Facebook, and you can click on the three line, and you can see the interface. You can click setting button. You can click on the setting, and after that you can click password and security. After that you can see also password and security. You can click there, password and security. After that you can see this interface. After that you can click on the change password. You can click on the Facebook profile which you want to change password. So you can see this interface. You can type their current password which is using, and this is new password. You can type new password there, and also last one, that also repeat a new password there, which you want to use. After that you can click on the change password button. Finally you will be succeed to change your Facebook password. So if you like this video, you can subscribe and share to other people who don't know how to change a Facebook password. Thank you for watching, and see you next video. Bye bye.